Hey, how's everyone doing? Juan here. Wanted to dive in with you on a conversation that has to do with navigating family dynamics while being married. So this conversation is for couples out there where maybe in the past you've gotten in issues or had conversations, conflict that have to do with family dynamics. Family dynamics meaning that maybe you've got supper or an event over at your in-laws, and you and your partner just cannot agree. You guys can't meet eye to eye on how to handle that event. And really, if it's not handled in the right way, it can create conflict in a relationship. It can lead to disrespect. It could lead to, a lot of negative issues, tension, where, we really don't want that to be a part of the relationship. So I want to share with you, if I could borrow your ears for a little bit, two things. One is I want to share with you, has to do with the conversation I'm having now. And the other is if you are in a relationship and you feel that you want to work on your relationship. You want to find ways to build that ideal, successful relationship. Check out the comments below. There is a course there that I created with the idea of as if you were here in a counseling session with me. The strategies that we go through. I put all of that into that course, so it's able to support you to transform your relationship into that ideal relationship that you're looking for. So kind of going back to this video, with the topic of family dynamics, I like to use the example of let's say that you and your partner want to take a trip, right? Thanksgiving, popular holiday. So you want to take a trip with your your family, your immediate family, to go see the in-laws. But your partner's sharing with you, and they're saying, "Listen, I just really don't like that environment. I feel that they don't respect me. I feel like they don't look at me in the eyes, and when I'm there, I just don't feel good about myself." Now, navigating that conversation itself can be difficult because maybe your partner is going to say, "Well, listen, I want to go. It's my family. You just got to deal with it," which is not a strategy we want to take. What we want to look for instead is effective and healthy communication skills. And really, what that means is using eye contact, using your listening ears, being able to apply and utilize the heart. An example of that could be where you share with your partner your thoughts and your feelings in a supportive, kind, and healthy way. Um, so let's use the example of you don't want to go to your in-laws and your partner wants to go to their family's home for Thanksgiving. How do we navigate this? Because we don't want to split the family, and we also don't want to go there with tension. But we know we're going to go there. We just got to figure out how. So a conversation there could be you sharing with your partner, the person that does not want to go, being able to share your thoughts and feelings of why you do not want to go, such as, I want to talk with you about the family gathering that we have. I know that you're excited, and I know that you want to be there. You know how I feel. I feel tension there. I feel a little bit distant. So I kind of want to create a plan. So this is kind of where we're going to constructive work. I want to create a plan around how we can be with your family, or our family, if you will, but I still get some of my self-care. I want to be able to support you, be able to hold you, and be your partner, be with you. But at the same time, I want to make sure that I'm mentally okay because there's times that I'm there with them. I just get so tense, and I don't want that to happen. So what if we use strategies? Right? So the conversation is going well so far, and strategies you can use could be fake phone call, right? Every hour, you and your partner have this code where they pretend like they're picking up a call, and that call means that your partner's going out there getting some fresh air, just refreshing before they get back into that tense environment. Another idea could be that you guys head there maybe early before everyone gets there, so you know where you want to sit. Another idea could be that you park at a certain place that allows you to get out. And maybe your partner has certain tasks, right? The person that doesn't want to be there too much. And a task could be that when you guys get there halfway through the event, they're gonna head out to go get some beer or something, right? Overall, you are looking for ways to A, support your partner, B, be there for your partner while letting them know how you feel and how you want to support them and navigate this situation. If you notice in those strategies, we're staying away from tension, we're staying away from conflict, and we're doing that by utilizing the supportive words, healthy communication, active listening, and empathy, being there for each other in a way that I'm okay being there for you, and you're okay with the way that I'm supporting you. So I hope in conclusion that this conversation that we've had here is supportive. If you are navigating family conflict, if you're navigating, that dynamic, and you're still, wanting to ensure and make sure that your relationship, your marriage is healthy. Thank you for being here. Have an amazing day.